Let's just do something different. You know what, Charlie? You're right. This is great.
You're gonna have to excuse the amount of bad angles I'm gonna get, but I have literally been on the hunt for the Kerrang t-shirts for the past god knows how many months, and there just isn't any near where I live. This is probably the best TK Maxx near me, so hopefully I'll be able to find some and I'll be able to get one, because fun fact, Kerrang actually stopped being a thing on my birthday, so that was nice of it. Guys, I found one. I think I'm gonna get it. It's 15. It's a size smaller than what I usually get, but it is still like a large, and I'd be able to wear this to work, I think, if I get a job. So okay, I'm gonna change rooms. I found another one, and it's not my favourite. It's this one. And this is the back. But it's not me. The other one's mommy. And then I want to try this one. I want to try this one as well, because it reminds me of Outer Banks. I don't know. It just does. But this one, I don't really know. I don't want to spend that much on clothes today, but try and put fun. So I understand how big I have my clothes, but I love the fit of it. It's a little bit too small for how I like to wear it. Like, it's a weird fit. It's not like relaxed or anything, it's like fitted, and it's quite a thick material, so it won't slouch, and it'll just get smaller in the wash. Do you know what I mean, like compared to that other one? I'm not gonna get it. Nights ago, and then a couple nights later, this is me freaking out over how freaking good Hotchner looks. I love him. Having fun with my new headphones, clearly loving that. And then I got these Pringles. They were 60 pence off of this little food snacky little bit of the market in the town that I went to, so got those are my new favourite things. This is me explaining silently that they taste exactly like my favourite Korean shrimp crisps. I've also started watching Game of Thrones. Don't even, I'm on season 3 in like a week, maybe, not even that. Don't even. Anyway, put these granny squares together. The 2 panels at the front were supposed to cover my chest, and as you can see from this, very, very small, not the right size. I couldn't be bothered to do any more granny squares, quite frankly, and I was frustrated, so I'm going to talk you through it. After some thought and consideration, I've come to the conclusion that this top is going to be way too small. Can't be bothered to remake it, so I'm going to move on to my next project, which is going to be a little net, would you say, to put all my yarn so I can store it in my bed instead of in the boxes, so I've got more room. So I'm going to move on to that, but I'm going to do it colourful. We're going to do that.
Hello, fellow American. This you should vote me. I leave power. Good. Thank you. Thank you. If you vote me, I'm hot. What? Taxes, they'll be lower. Sun. The Democratic vote for me is right thing to do, Philadelphia. So do. This doesn't make any sense.